Welcome back you guys to another video. Today CCIV was wild. This stock is not for the paper hands trader. At the open, the stock rallied up 5.5%, and at 10:50 a.m. Eastern time, we had a massive 15% crash in 5 minutes, and the stock was immediately halted for 15 minutes. Is it time to sell or buy the dip? In this video, we'll go over why the stock fell 15% in 5 minutes and my strategy going forward. If you're invested or thinking of investing on the CCIV SPAC merger, you don't want to miss this video. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. The reason why the stock had a flash crash was due to this Wall Street Journal article that was released at 10:49 a.m. Eastern Time. In summary, the article goes over in detail of all the events that had happened since the CCIV Lucid Motors merger rumor. It basically goes over everything I have previously covered in all my CCIV updates. From meme stock retail traders trading the stock to retail traders spying on private planes trying to find a connection between the directors of both companies. The one statement from this article that crashed the stock in 5 minutes was, and I quote, "Talks between the two companies are continuing, though a deal isn't imminent, according to people familiar with the matter." The trigger statement was, "A deal isn't imminent." This is something we all already know. This comes to no surprise. If you have been following my channel, we are all completely aware of the details of the CCIV merger, the connections between the Saudi Arabia investing firm Andrew Liveris' involvement between CCIV and Lucid Motors, and lastly, the countless bullish signals such as this SPAC being traded internationally before a merger announcement, and 58 institutions already holding this stock. The amount of Lucid merger evidence this SPAC carries is ridiculous. I've covered plenty of obscure details in my previous videos. If you haven't seen any of them, make sure to click on the card above to watch those videos. So what did I do and what do we do now? Do we sell or do we buy the dip? I was trading and watching CCIV as it flash crashed in a matter of minutes. I scoured the internet immediately and couldn't find any news. It took me about 10 minutes to find the article. At this time, the stock was still halted. In my mind, I thought that the merger deal had fell apart, but I couldn't find confirmation. I then ran into the Wall Street Journal article and found people tweeting the Wall Street Journal quote. I immediately brushed it off. What we saw today was a flash crash triggered by news and algorithmic high-frequency institutions. If you are a trader without any knowledge of the merger, clues and details, and are trading the stock solely in hype, since you probably found it in social media, I'm sure a lot of retail traders locked in losses today or got out of their positions without knowing what actually happened. This created a perfect buying opportunity. This was not a reason to sell. This was a blessing, buy the dip opportunity. I'm already heavily sized up in my CCIV position, and I did absolutely nothing about this situation. I did have family members who took this opportunity to get in at around $29. These SPACs are extremely volatile, and it takes a strong stomach to ride these crazy 20% intraday swings. If you're heavily invested into these stocks, do as much research as possible before buying. Have the conviction to fade off these volatile moves. I'm still extremely bullish and will be until a public announcement from either company stating otherwise. The market will throw cats and dogs at you in order to shake you off or make you lock in losses. This is an investment in my portfolio and I plan on not selling. I will stomach any and every volatile swing with confidence, only selling if the merger falls apart. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.